Welcome, my name is Justin and I'm the founder of Trendsi Trades. In this video, I'm going to go over exactly what you can expect to receive instant access to when you end up joining our team. Remember, this is lifetime access. We never have any monthly service fees. I'm going to go over the 4 indicators we have to offer. First one is our linear regression channel indicator. Second is our support and resistance indicator, our buy and sell indicator, and then also our bottom dashboard displaying overall market momentum, money movement, and also key EMA crossovers. We're then also going to dive over into our Discord to show you exactly how we send out our daily trade alerts. Stay tuned. The first indicator we feature is our linear regression indicator. I'm going to show you exactly how I use this to find trending markets, either bullish or bearish, and also how to use this as levels of support and also as levels of resistance. Let's dive into this. Let's go over to the settings and go ahead and take a look at the different features on this indicator. To start off with, we have our length set to 300. Now this is customizable. You can either take a look at, for example, the last 100 candles, and this will adjust to whatever length you want. Or let's say you want to look at the past 500 candles. You can also do that as well to get a bigger picture of where the market is heading. If we set this back to the standard of 300, let's move on to the next section. You also have a number of deviation levels that you can choose, and that's going to be the amount of levels displayed inside this regression trend. If you would like less, you can just decrease this number, and you can see that you have fewer sections of resistance and support that you can keep an eye on. Or if you would like to increase that, you can do as well. You can also change the overall deviation level. You can increase this higher, for example 3 or 4, to get a bigger picture, or you can then set it down to the standard, which is 2. You also have the ability to be looking left and looking right. So you can extend these lines left to see historically what happened in the past, but also a great feature is to see what is coming in the future to see where you could potentially be heading in the stock direction. Let's go over the next indicator. The second indicator we feature is our support and resistance indicator. This will automatically plot out the swing lows and swing highs in the market on any time frame. Let's go over the settings. Under the input tab, you'll be able to see that you can either enable or disable this at the bottom to either display on the chart or take it off. Under the style, you can either choose if you want to see just areas of support in the market, or if you would like to take a look at areas of resistance in the market, depending on which direction you are trading in the stock. Now let's take a look at our buy-sell signal. The third indicator we provide is a buy and sell signal indicator showing potential entries into the market, long or short. In the next section, I'm going to go over the metrics which make up these buy and sell signals, but first, let me show you how I use these signals when I trade. When you go up to your settings, the first thing I do is I turn on my lines, which is the linear regression channel under the style. You can tell that we're heading in a bullish direction since our linear regression channel is heading to the top right of our screen. The next thing I end up doing is, since we are heading in a bullish momentum, I only want to have my buy signals illuminated. You can now tell that this will plot out the best entries into the stock since we are trading with the trend. Let's now take a look at our bottom dashboard. The final indicator that we provide is an advanced dashboard indicator. This is going to display overall money movement, market movement, and also key EMA crossovers in the market. Let's break down each section. The first section I like to look at is this white line. This represents money movement in the market. If this is shifting in the upper direction, the price of the stock likes to follow suit. The next thing I like to look at is our middle band. This is going to represent bullish or bearish market momentum. When this middle band is green, that means the price of the stock is going to be increasing in value. When this shifts over to red, as we can tell here, this means that the bears have taken over and the price is going to be decreasing. Now the third thing are these green and red dots. These are strong EMA crossovers in the market that's coded into this system to be looking for a potential downside continuation. Now the reason we ended up getting this buy signal is because a few things had to happen in conjunction. Our white line first had to be heading in an upper direction, our middle band had to be bullish, which is green, and also a green dot showing a key EMA crossover. This is how we end up getting our buy and sell signals with Trendsi. Now let's take a look at how we alert our community in our Discord. Welcome inside our private Discord for Trendsi Trades. This is an example of a trade alert sent on August 15th, 2022, playing Costco calls that netted a 28% profit. Let's break it down. The first thing we like to alert is the ticker symbol. For this example, this was Costco, C-O-S-T. We then will alert if we're playing a call or a put. In this example, we were playing a call. We then list out the exact strike price and expiration date we are playing so you can follow along with us. More importantly, we give a detailed description of exactly why we are entering into this position so you can understand how to better use our indicators to look for potential entries and exits in the market later on in your trading career. I want to thank you for your time, and I look forward to trading alongside with you. Click the link below to gain instant access today.